Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As a continuity of unit number 14 discussion, today we are at the page number 4. Underground stems. Underground stems, why we call them underground stems? Basically, a stem will not stay under the soil. Stem means it will stay above the soil. But these stems are naturally evolved to live under the soil. That's why they are called by the name underground stems. In underground stems, there are many lifetime examples for you, right? If you look for underground stems, right, you will see many examples for underground stems, right? You will see potato, ginger, taro comb, right? Like this, there are onion. Many examples are there for underground stems. So, underground stems, they have certain basic features. One of the basic feature of underground stems is they store food. That is one of the basic feature of underground stems. They live under the soil. They store food. In adverse conditions, unfavorable conditions, though the entire plant dies, underground stem will remain. And from this underground stem, in the favorable condition, new plants will come up. And that nature is therefore underground stems. Using underground stems, we can perform vegetative propagation. They also perform vegetative propagation. Right? For a simple example, if you are a ginger farmer, okay, what do you have to, now you say you want to do a ginger cultivation, ginger plant cultivation, you are performing a ginger cultivation. What are you planting? Are you planting seeds to get ginger? No. Instead, you are planting, okay, you are planting small pieces of ginger in the soil. You are planting small pieces of ginger in the soil. From that piece of ginger, new plants are growing up. It is the one you can see here. Later, it will start to grow larger by storing food. So, what the farmer cultivates is ginger pieces. Thus, no ginger seeds cultivated. Okay. After considerable size of growth, we can harvest it. So, like this, for each of the cultivations, we are using those underground stems, right? Underground stems are categorized into 4 types. A rhizome is one type. You don't need bigger details regarding rhizome. In exam paper, if they give you this kind of a picture, if you can identify, okay, this is a rhizome's picture, that is enough for you. Okay. So the example of the plants having rhizome underground stem are given to you: ginger, turmeric, canas, and aratta. Similarly, comb. Comb is another type, right? In the in this one you can see taro yams. Here this is the taro yam. So taro yam is an underground stem. From taro yam, if you plant this taro yam, okay, it will grow up to a new plant. Taro yam, okay, it will grow up to a new plant. People eat this and a very tasty food. And it has various names. So big rooted taro yam, cocoa yam, okay, elephant foot yam are having cones. Third type of underground stem is bulb, red onion, big onion, leeks are given to you as examples. And stem tuber, the fourth type of underground stem, the examples given to you are potato, coleus potato. Okay, coleus potato, I can try to show you. Coleus potato, right? So coleus plant, you know this one is an ornamental plant. We don't eat coleus potato. Immediately when I tell you the word potato, you people are thinking to eat it. Okay, coleus plant is coming out of this kind of underground stems. Coleus potato. Okay. So thereafter, you are asked a question: what are the importance of underground stem? Underground stems are having this importance. Vegetative propagation can be performed with them. They are important in spending dormant periods in adverse climatic conditions. Two benefits there: one, vegetative propagation; second, spending dormant periods in adverse climatic conditions. They store food, to spend that adverse climatic conditions, because in that time there won't be any photosynthesis. Another benefit it is, when the favorable time comes, the plant above the soil will be already killed. So using that stored food, they have to make the new plant. This food, instead of keeping it for the plant, we are eating. And now with that one, we are finishing the natural vegetative propagation methods. You have to answer this question. I have given the instructions for the points to write it as what are the importance of underground stems. Now, artificial vegetative propagation. In artificial vegetative propagation, with the human involvement, we do vegetative propagation. Okay, in the artificial vegetative propagation, there are four methods there according to your syllabus. One, it is rooting of stem cuttings. Second, it is layering. Third, it is grafting. Fourth, it is tissue culture. Inshallah, in tomorrow's discussion, we will be discussing this part. Okay, write and send your works before tomorrow night, 8 o'clock. Good night. Goodbye.